Welcome to 7 Boats Academy. Right now we will discuss about what is called keyword proximity. Now keyword proximity means how close you have placed your focus keyword or the long tail keyword and other related keywords in your page content. For example, if your page is about digital marketing and your focus keyword is digital marketing and long tail keywords is digital marketing company in Kolkata. So in first paragraph of content you can write 7 Boats is one of the leading digital marketing companies in Kolkata offering various online marketing services such as SEO, social media marketing, email marketing and more at affordable fees. So you can see in the first line we have used digital marketing along with the related words like online marketing, SEO, social media marketing, and it is in a very proximal position in the first paragraph of the page. So that is called the keyword proximity. Let us take an example here. In google.com, if we search with sales page writing service, we get 7 Boats sales page at the top. And if you open this sales page writing service page, so you see here in the body of the content, the first line is, do you need a sales copy? Then writing for the purpose of hardcore sales is very different from drafting web pages to inform. So you can see here sales copy we have used in the first line. Now again the writing for the purpose. So you can see here sales copy writing. Now our focus word is here sales page writing. So this is a similar in meaning, sales copywriting. Now again we have used the sales word again here. So you can see the proximal position in the first two lines itself. It's even the second line is not complete. So we have used the sales copywriting and again sales here. Now you see here in the drafting web pages, this is also similar in meaning like writing pages. And again in the second line you see while writing a sales copy, again writing a sales copy or sales page writing, it is in similar in nature. So this is called keyword proximity. How proximal position, in a proximal position you are using your focus keywords, long tail keywords and other related words into your content. So this is all about the first paragraph. Now if you move to the second paragraph, you can see for a sales copy to be successful. Now again we have used the sales copy over here, and again you can see the second line sales page writing service. If you move to the another paragraph, again you can see online sales business, then you can see experienced writers writing the sales page writing services team. So again you can see the repeat over here in this paragraph. If you move down to the bottom of paragraph, the last paragraph, again you can see here sell to your customers with the right sales copy. So again we have used this word here. So this is called in a proximal position we have used for every paragraph of the content. So this is called keyword proximity. So while you are writing content and want to do the on-page SEO for a particular page, so you have to place these words in a very tactical way, that is called keyword proximity. Thank you.